Charlotte Wallet, what are you doing? Is that brownie surprise good? Huh?
Let me get coffee though.
Can you tell me what you're doing? Why are you playing in mommy's flower?
Making flour.
Why are you playing in the flower? Why?
Why?
You got it all in your hair. Why are you playing? Why are you in my refrigerator, period?
Cold chicken nuggets.
What are you doing, Emily? What are you doing?
Get out of there, Emily. Get out of here. Get off the couch. Come on.
Great ideas when all four of us are together. Kiki and Marina are here.
Second the refrigerator, and looks like we got an apple. As you can see, Miss Zoe loves her apples. Don't you, Zozo? Zoe, look at mommy.
That's absolutely the way it's going to be. That's official. You were right, I was wrong. A blind man can tell you that. Now, that ain't going to hurt, honey. They're just in it for the score. But I ain't like that no more. I'm a changed man. You were right, I was wrong.
You eat. Well, Anaya has left her plate unattended in the refrigerator. Waffles from this morning. And this is what Anya. Say hello. Say hi. Look at her.
Listening to our riders, listening to our driver partners. And listening is ultimately going to
Shake that body. Oh, shake that body.
She gets the legs into it.
What is that, Leia? What do you got?
What do you got, Lily?
What is that? Sad.
Right here, Logie. Get the milk. Drink it. Drink the milk. Drink it.
Fridge. Hello? What are you doing in the fridge? Is this a playground? Why you laughing for? You got cut, huh?
Thank you. Thank you.
Amelia, can I have one?
Comforters in the closet. Most events, and they're sweating all night.
Thank you. I don't think Chloe's big enough to open that refrigerator.
I did that. I mean.
You did it? Are you going to pick up this mess?
I did that. Up there.
Look at Mommy, Chloe.
No.
Is that yummy cheese?
I don't like cheese. I don't like cheese.
Oh my goodness. We did just get dressed.
I don't like cheese.